Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals for this week. It's the first Sunday of this year, so let's just get started. There's so many great deals, but I'm just going to show you the top 5. I also have a video showing you all of the best deals, so you can see that. I'm going to provide that on this area, so you can see that video. But this one is the Boost. Boost is going to be on special, as you can see the price. Sometimes it could be $11.79, depending which one you're getting. But it's going to be on special for $6.99. And if you buy 4, you get 10 ECB. Also, we're expecting to get coupons, but I wanted to show you that some of these already had a peely of $2. So in case you don't get those coupons in your inserts, you could use those peelies if you find them in your store. So from $6.99, use 2 coupons deducting 5. You pay $17.96. You get back 10 ECB, making it $1.99. But just be on the lookout in case you also get CRTs this Sunday for Boost. The next deal is a freebie. I can't believe I'm saying Colgate for free. That's why I love couponing. This one's very easy to do. You just get the coupon that we're getting this Sunday. I believe it's on the Smart Stores. And also just scan your card. That's why I put that picture there, so you can scan your card in the red box machine. So everybody should be getting a CVS Instant coupon of $2.50. So they're going to be on special. Remember, make sure you do get the only ones that are going to be on special is Optic White, 2-in-1, and Max. And the coupon, I believe, is mostly for the Optic White. So select that one, use those 2 coupons, and it's going to be free. The next deal is the Colgate mouthwash. I'm showing you this deal in case if you have any good CRTs. I did receive 1 of 5, but if you have the one that is deducting 2 of 2, it will be free. So buy 2 the mouthwash for $7.98. Use 2 coupons expecting this Sunday. And if you have any CRTs, like I mentioned, I have the 1, but if you have the 2, like the one you pay 5 but you get back 4 ECB, is 2 ECB for each item you buy, and it's a limit of 2. So if you have the CRT for deducting 1, it will be 49 cents each, but if you have the CRT that is deducting 2 of 2, it will make it free. This is a great deal if you have the CRT deducting 4 when you spend 18 on any hair care. So I'm going to show you purchasing the Tresemme and Dove hair products. Also, I'm going to show you another deal idea buying Tresemme and L'Oreal. The L'Oreal will be a better deal. So you buy 2 Tresemme and 2 L'Oreal hair care. So that will reach $18 and you use that CRT that I mentioned. Everybody's going to be getting an instant coupon for the L'Oreal. So make sure you scan your card. And we're expecting coupons for Tresemme for 5 and L'Oreal for 4. So use all those coupons. So from 18 you pay 3. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, making it 25 cents each hair care. But if you prefer to do the Tresemme with the Dove hair products, this is another deal idea. You buy the Tresemme and the Dove. You use that CRT for of 18, and those coupons 5 for Tresemme and 3 for the Dove hair care, and you will get 2 ECB for the Tresemme and 2 ECB for the Dove hair care, making it 50 cents each. The deal idea I share with you is a price I've seen in my store for $4.39, but in this store when I went yesterday was for $4.99. So I'm going to tell you a little bit how you could do this deal. So buy 2, because they're going to be buy 1 and the other one for 50% off. Use 2 coupons we're expecting this Sunday as well. So from $6.59 you pay $4.59, you receive 3 ECB, making it 79 cents each. If you have any CRTs for deducting 1 on deodorant, it will be 59 cents for both. But if you do have it at your store for $4.99, it will be 74 cents each. Depending on the price on the store, and if you do have those CRTs, this does make it a good deal. That's why it's on the top 5. Another deal I want to share with you is the Maybelline. There's so many good products you could get from Maybelline, and they're continuing to add so many new items. But this one, in case you just wanted to get these items for free, this is what I want to share with the top 5. You could buy the single eyeshadow. I've seen it for $3.99 in most stores. And get this mascara. I've also seen it in most stores for $5.99. Use coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. And if you did get this CRT last week for Maybelline, just $3. It just says $3 for Maybelline. You could use that CRT and that coupon for the mascara. So from $9.98, you pay $4.98. You get back 5 ECB when you buy 2, making it free. But if you're able to use the coupon deducting of 1 for any eye makeup and it doesn't exclude a single eyeshadow, it will make it free and a money maker. It all depends what the coupon says and what is stated on that coupon. So as you could, that's what I wanted to share with you in case you wanted to do this deal idea, but you could do other deal ideas and it will make it a very low price, especially if you have that CRT. So these are the top 5 deals. I did share a little bit an extra one in there, but if you want to see a complete list, there's so many good deals that we expecting this Sunday. I have a video giving you info on every single one of those. Also, you could visit me on Instagram where I have the post, or my blog at excitedforcoupons.com. So I thank you so much for watching. I hope you're getting prepared for this new trip or the new Sunday ad for the new year. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.